Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Rush for more reviews. Today we are at Braemar Avenue, 21 Braemar Avenue to be exact. This will be this is the proposed and finalized location for one of proven investment. It's called Via at Braemar. So this is where construction will start. Um, the property is fenced, and I think I like how they do. I like how they do the perimeter fencing for construction. It's very pretty. Most times you probably just see some zinc, some gray zinc, some blue zinc, but they really did a good job with this in terms of allowing it to still look appealing to the eye while they start construction. Alright, so this apartment complex is really geared towards middle income earners. That is what was advertised by Proven Development. So the cost to develop this property is Jamaican 2.1 billion, and it's set to be completed 2021 July 2021. While it's aimed at middle income earners, prices start from 21 million to 42 million. It has 99 apartment complexes ranging from penthouse, studio, 1 bedroom and 2 bedroom. So the cheapest would be 21 million for a studio. Based on calculations they made with a mortgage from VMBS, then that would be approximately 130,000 in mortgage per month. But my question is, I know Kingston for sure doesn't have a house shortage, doesn't have a apartment shortage. But I think the problem we're seeing is, even though they're saying they're building these places for low income persons and middle income persons, it's still not very affordable, because not everyone can afford a mortgage of 130,000 per month. Most police officers, most nurses, most teachers, which would be considered as middle income earners, would not be able to afford such a big mortgage, along with other expenses, and that is only for a studio. What if they have a family with children and need a 2 bedroom? That's 42 million Jamaican. So let me know your thought, guys, but I really think most of these places are very heavily priced. Alright, so I really think most of these places are very heavily priced. Yes, all of the 2 bedrooms and penthouse were all sold out in the first 30 minutes that this place went on the market. Yes, it's completely sold out now, in less than a week after it went on the market. But who are the persons really buying these new apartment complexes, these luxury apartments? So that is the big question, because I'm sure to get an NHG mortgage, if you're an NHG contributor, that won't be able to afford this complex with a NHT mortgage. So it's right next to Braemar Estate. But let me know your thoughts on this, guys, in terms of the affordability of these complexes, because I think most of the persons buying these off so quickly are investors, are overseas residents, are person that's gonna retire to return home, persons that probably want to buy it and sell back in 10 years, persons that want to buy, rent out, buy, and do Airbnb, rather than your regular NHD contributor, your regular middle class income earner. So let me know your thoughts on this development. Let me know your thoughts on the housing situation in Jamaica in terms of the pricing, in terms of affordability, in terms of these property being able to be afforded by civil servants and persons that would want to classify as middle service or middle class income earners. I guess probably they need to properly define what's middle class. But yeah, this will be a very nice property. They have pool, rooftop pool, gym, elevator, reception area, So it will be a very, very nice apartment complex, guys. So via at Braemar. So if you're new to the channel, guys, definitely subscribe for more content. Subscribing is completely free. um, Definitely leave a comment in terms of what you think about this property, the development, the costs, the pricing of everything. And not only this property, most of these new apartment complex are not cheap. Like and share the video as well so that more persons can see. And I know some of my subscribers requested this video. Yes, there's no construction yet, but just giving you guys an update basically. So thanks for checking out the Rush for More Reviews channel, and definitely stay tuned for the next video.